Acá hay una que quiere arrancar con ustedes.
Ah, ya, Sie wollen die...
Nada.
Él ya está casado.
¿Está casado?
Sí.
Casado. No entienden inglés. Mire, todos son hombres.
Hello and good morning, welcome back to Colombia. I am today in Santa Marta center, not at my home. I'm in the city center because I have a group of tourists coming, or they are already here, and we are going on a 17-day trip in Colombia today, very first day. And yeah, it's going to be a big adventure, and oh, look here, these beautiful pictures. I'm going back to the hotel right now. We're going to have breakfast and then the big trip starts. So this is already all our luggage, and we're waiting for the taxi to come and pick us up, and then we go to my place and everybody gets his bike and off we go. Miguel, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, preparado para salir a rodar.
She wants to know where you've been.
Oh, my dogs are a little sad. Lulu, Lulu. Yeah, I'll be back soon. Huh? Yes, ready for takeoff. So yeah, it's a big group, 9 people. So that always takes some time to get ready. But here we go. Well, once again in Minca. This time with a big group. Let's see how this works. Today is a beautiful day, lots of sunshine. So I suppose we're gonna have a nice trip around. Yeah, it's the way to La Victoria again. Beautiful as always. There are all my people coming. There are coming the last 4. It's quite deep. Oh, nice one. Joel with his orange helmet. So this here is all the coffee. We're in coffee season, and that is what it looks like. Lekker yuca.
Lecker. Gib von hier.
So is it your first yuca?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Did you try?
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Is there like sand field?
Okay.
No, good.
Nice late lunch. Now we're going down again to Minca. we are back at our hotel Minca La Casona. Everything went fine. We had a nice day, half a day in Minca, because, you know, the first day of such a big group, it's always like, yeah, everybody gets his bike and I have to explain a lot. And so the first day is always a short riding day. But now it's 5:30. We are all here in the hotel getting ready for our dinner. And tomorrow we are going to another part of the Sierra Nevada. So I saw everybody ready going to the breakfast room. It's about like a porch. Have a look at this.
We'll follow you.
We went down.
So for breakfast we have papaya, watermelon and pineapple, and of course tasty Colombian coffee and this view. Well, everybody has water, everybody is ready. We go down the hill. We are leaving the cool hills of Minca and going down to the heat. What is this? There are animals, goats. Well, slowly. Don't want to kill no goats. Hey. Okay. Anyway, we are going to cross here to the left. And I guess they are going to the right. Okay. There are my people. Oh, I'm gonna wait until everybody's here. Yeah, they always say bienvenido. Vamos para San Pedro.
Ah, San Pedro.
Sí, vamos a subir. Buenos días.
Acá hay una que quiere arrancar con ustedes.
Ah, ya, ¿sí wollen die?
Nada.
Él ya está casado.
¿Está casado?
Sí.
¿No entienden inglés? Mire, todos son hombres.
No, hay unas, somos 6.
Ah, pero usted no la había visto ahí.
Sí.
Ah, pero está bonito.
Sí.
Está para Fundación.
Ahora pasamos por la zona bananera y vamos a San Javier.
Tiene que tener cuidado porque la carretera es angostica.
Sí, yo la conozco, ya les dije. ¿Cómo?
Han ido a
Minca.
Ya, dormimos en Minca esta noche, de ahí venimos. Minca, ahora Cienaga y después San Pedro ahora.
San Pedro.
Sí.
Venezuela, ya habíamos uno. Allá con Dios.
Gracias. So nice. They're always so welcoming, Colombian people. That makes traveling in Colombia so good. Yeah. Buenas. Oh, and a dog on 3 legs. Buenas. All about coffee here. Oh, maybe I should pass these mules first. It's always so nice to see these mules. I love it. And I hope that my favorite lunch place is open, because last time I was here it was closed. So surprise, surprise. Anyway, it's Sunday. Maybe chances are good. Yay, it's open. This is my favorite place, and we'll park here with all the mules. Yuma. Ganz auch da. Mhm. Mhm. Ja. This is our parking place of the hotel in Fundacion. So this is Fundacion at night, and we are having dinner right here in this restaurant. There are my people. And yeah, so we went from Santa Marta to Minca to Fundacion, and we had a great time. And this is day number 2, and tomorrow we go on to Mompos. Stay tuned if you want to see our adventure, and yeah, please subscribe down below, give us a big thumbs up. See you back next Saturday.